Hey, this is Jordan from Rapido. We're at Jason's Kingston Sub Layout, and today we're unboxing our all-new HO scale Pacific Car and Foundry 5217 cubic foot boxcars. Now, there were 799 of these built by the PC&F. Oh, geez.
What are you doing here? Why are you in my house?
We're doing an unboxing.
You could have told me about that, Hoser.
Well, I did. Didn't you get the memo?
I got no memo. All right, just keep going.
He didn't get the memo. He also didn't get the memo about the fact that Guildwood had a Southern Pacific helper always stationed behind the station.
That's a lumber yard.
That's my model.
Okay. Want to transfer?
Sure.
Okay, why didn't you tell me you're coming? I could have
We're
tied this is my
filming the
workbench.
unboxing here. It doesn't matter. Get out of here. Can't get good help these days. Ooh. So as I was mentioning before, there were 799 of these cars built by the PC&F in 1979, and they went to the Berlin Mills, they went to Boston and Maine, and also to the Olympia Railroad as leased cars. Berlin Mills cars actually ended up going to secondary owners in the 90s and 2000s. A lot of them were patched, purchased by Union Pacific and patched with some of the reporting marks such as BKTY. Others went to East Erie Commercial, which we've done in this release. And also, the B&M cars eventually went to the Guilford system. They were repainted in the white scheme here. Later on, they got repainted into the Pan-Am scheme in a couple different variations of their colors in the early 2000s, and some of them are still running today. We also have, I believe this is Saratoga and North Creek, and the other just really cool cars. They've got probably a few years before they start to retire off in large quantities, but we've got one for pretty much every era from 79 until today. So our HO Berlin Mills boxcars are in stores now and are also available through rapidotrains.com. Get your orders in today. They are selling like very warm pancakes. So get yours now.
Lunatics!
I'm trying to do this, but we've got ants. We've got ants on the track here. We got ants.
Where?
They're running down the track.
What?
We got ants, but they're under the boxcars. I think we ran over him. There he goes.
Where did it come from?
That's awesome.